Welcome to our instructional video on how to simplify the integer exponent problem 4 raised to the power of 2. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of solving this problem. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. To solve the problem 4 raised to the power of 2, we need to understand that this expression means multiplying the number 4 by itself. In mathematical terms, the notation 4 raised to the power of 2 tells us to take 4 and multiply it by 4. So the expression 4 raised to the power of 2 can be rewritten as 4 times 4. This alteration changes the problem from an exponentiation problem to a multiplication problem. Now it should be clearer what needs to be done next. This step is crucial in transitioning the problem from an exponentiation problem to a simpler multiplication problem. We previously identified that 4 to the power of 2 means multiplying 4 by itself. Now we explicitly perform this multiplication. Taking 4 and multiplying it by 4 results in a new expression. In mathematical terms, 4 times 4 equals 16. This simplifies our initial problem down to a single number, 16. Therefore, 4 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 16. This is the simplest form of the expression, and we have reached the final step of the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.